Do you want to be able to fix Instagram DM glitch? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite simple. We are firstly going to go into our Instagram app and then of course also log into your Instagram account if you haven't done so already, and then come to your profile right here. Now on your profile, then what you're going to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, but in here we need to click where it says settings. So click on settings. Now you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. Now on this page, just scroll down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem, then click on include and continue. The reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support because a lot of people don't know that you can actually contact the Instagram support in here, and they do actually help you with things that you're having problems with, but you need to know exactly what you need to write for it to work basically. So now you need to write like this: I am having issues with my Instagram DMs, sorry, DMs glitching. And also in here, by the way, I'm just going to write like this. In here, you're able to actually write exactly what kind of glitch you're having with your DM. So don't forget to write what kind of DM glitch that you have. Just be as specific as possible, basically. And then after you have done so, then you can write like this: I need this to be fixed. Basically, I wrote exactly like this to them before, and now my DM glitch on Instagram is fixed. So I hope that this Instagram DM glitch will also be fixed for you. Just you need to specify for them exactly what kind of glitch that you're facing. And also, of course, don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. I'm not going to do so because I've already gotten this problem fixed for me, so I don't want to actually take any of their time. But of course, you also need to click on send in the top right corner, then wait 24 to 48 hours for Instagram to see this, and hopefully after that, this DM glitch will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.